The top 7 student visa questions on Reddit answered. Got questions about student visas? You're not alone. Thousands of people turn to Reddit every day to get answers, but not all the advice is accurate. That's where we come in. We've compiled a list of the top 7 most frequently asked student visa questions on Reddit, along with clear answers you can trust. Let's dive in. Question 1. What's the difference between F1, J1, and M1 student visas? The F1 visa is for full-time academic study at accredited U.S. schools like colleges, universities, high schools, or language programs. The J1 visa is for students in cultural exchange programs, including research, teaching, or au pair work, and requires a program sponsor. The M1 visa is for vocational or technical programs, think trade schools or non-academic training. Question 2, can I travel internationally while on a student visa? Yes, you can travel internationally while on a valid F1 or J1 visa. To re-enter the US, you'll need a valid visa, a valid passport, a signed Form I-20 for F1 visa holders, or DS 2019 for J1 visa holders, and proof of enrollment. Re-entry is subject to inspection at the port of entry. Given the Trump administration's increased enforcement actions at U.S. ports of entry, it's a good idea to consult an attorney and/or check with your designated school official, DSO, before traveling internationally. Question 3. I am on an F1 student visa. If I graduate from my undergrad program in May, can I stay in the U.S. until my grad school program starts in August? Yes, you can remain in the U.S. between programs as long as you get a new Form I-20 from your graduate school and transfer your Student and Exchange Visitor Information System record to the new school. Work with your DSO and both schools' international offices to ensure compliance with F1 regulations and protect your status. Question 4. How can I prove I have enough funds for my student visa? For F1 and M1 student visa applications, you must show proof of sufficient funds to cover tuition, fees, and living expenses for at least the first year of study and a plan for subsequent years. Acceptable documents include bank statements, scholarship letters, affidavits of support, or sponsors' financial documents. AJ1 applicants must show funding for the full duration of the program, which may come from personal funds, scholarships, or program sponsors. Question 5. How long does it take to get a student visa decision? Student visa processing times vary by embassy and time of year. After the interview, most decisions are made within a few days, but some cases require additional administrative processing, which can take weeks or longer. The U.S. Department of State, DOS, recommends applying well in advance of your program's start date. Question 6. What are the most common reasons for student visa rejection? Common reasons for student visa denial include failure to demonstrate non-immigrant intent, i.e. intent to return home, inadequate financial support, missing, inconsistent, or fraudulent documents, and issues identified during security or background checks. If your student visa application is denied, you'll receive a written explanation. You may reapply if you can address the reason for denial. There is no formal appeal process for most denials, but you can submit a new application with additional documentation. Question 7. What happens if my student visa is revoked? If your student visa is revoked, you must appeal the decision, change status, or depart the U.S. immediately to avoid incurring immigration violations. Remaining in the U.S. without status can result in removal and future visa ineligibility. Got more questions? We wrote a blog post that dives deeper into each topic mentioned in this video, as well as additional student visa Q&As linked in the description below. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more immigration news, tips, and insights. Thanks for watching.